Good afternoon from Koh Mook. Today I'm going to give you a walking tour of the street in downtown Koh Mook. Very, very small. Behind me is the dock. That's the way to the dock. It's about maybe 150 yards where we landed when we came from the mainland. So this way begins our town walk. And again, this is really, really small island, and the town itself is very small. People come here and they take these tuk-tuks and taxis and they rent these motor scooters. Let me tell you something right now. No need. This place is easily walkable. Furthest point you're going to go, about 15-minute walk. Take you through some of the local shops and restaurants. Let's see. I'm out here today alone because I'm actually gonna get a massage after I do this video because my neck hurts. All right, this is Thai standoff. Real jerk. You can go down that way. There's a couple of restaurants. We went down there. Wasn't so good. We just stayed on the main drag here. A lot of people talk about this Koh Mook City Center restaurant as being pretty good. We have not tried it. Yeah, back to the massage thing. Yeah, my neck hurts. Really hurts. So after this quick walk, I'm going to get some Thai lady to work on my neck. Okay, you see this place, yummy. We did eat here on the first night. Highly recommend this place. Really good. Clean. The people are super friendly and the food's really good. Okay, so you come to Koh Mook, this is definitely should be on your list of places to eat. They have a lot of these little markets. There's no big supermarkets, a lot of little markets, but they seem to have everything you need. They do have a snooker club here. So if you like to play pool, you can do that. Again, a lot of places where you can rent motorbikes. No need. This place is easily walkable. These guys, they take these taxis for 50 baht. We took it from the pier to our hotel because we had all that luggage. Yeah, that's a good idea. But after that, you need this stuff for nothing. You need those taxis. You don't need motorbike. Just walk, as you'll see. You don't like walking? They got these things all over the place. 50 baht, no matter where you want to go. We ate here last night. The food was really good. I had a smoked duck sandwich. It was huge. Jeannie had she had Caesar salad, and she failed to ask him for the dressing on the side, so it kind of got drowned. The food here at Miss Island is really good. It's definitely worth coming. Note, there are mosquitoes. She got bitten alive. Me, not so much. But we do recommend Miss Island. Definitely. As you can see, this main street of Koh Mook, it's fairly narrow. So at nighttime it becomes a little bit more challenging with the amount of people, motor scooters, and those taxis that go back and forth. You can see how close we are to the water. Here's a bunch of villas. And as usual, they don't put a name out in front. So if you like what you see, you have no idea who to contact. Okay. This place, the Perfect Bar and Restaurant, has gotten some good reviews. We have not tried it. You eat out there on the water. Oh yeah, during our beach walk when we passed that restaurant, Jeannie said she wasn't too happy about the way it looked because there was a bunch of garbage out in the back that hasn't been cleaned up. And as you can see, tires all over the place, what have you. And it's right next door to the main mechanic here on the island who fixes any of the long-tail boat engines or your scooters. This is another place, Sugar's Coffee and Restaurant, gets high reviews. Again, it's on the water. I can't tell you if it's good or not. But according to Google Maps, a lot of people like it. Kids having fun. She saw me with the camera, started waving. Here's some type of kitchen. Again, when you see these places, you use your own judgment. Does it look clean? Is there flies? You got people there, eating there, that type of thing. Another popular restaurant, P&P restaurant. A lot of people say this is really good. Roti with massaman chicken, roti with pineapple, roti with Nutella. Looks very comfortable, very nice. Swati Kap. And shady water views. And there's another restaurant, Mukadara restaurant. A little bit above sea level with plenty of seating and views of the water. Swati Kap, Swati Pimai. And we'll continue on a little. Okay, this Fisherman's Kitchen. Jeannie and I ate here on New Year's Eve, and the food was decent, but the wait was unbearable. I couldn't believe it. Swati Kap. Swati Pimai. And we ate here. We got here about 5:45. We sat right over there, overlooking the water. And we didn't get served until about an hour later. We got our drinks and our spring rolls, and then my dish came shortly after that, and Jeannie still sat around. And then her dish came after that, and finally we ate, and there was no flies, no mosquitoes, so you got that. So I can recommend that if you don't mind waiting. And the last place is the Koh Mook Beach restaurant, which I am not going to walk all the way down there. I'll just show you about 200 yards further down this walkway. It bends to the left, and there's one more restaurant. We were gonna go there, and the lady on New Year's Eve, and the lady said, "Yeah, come on in." And we walked in, and all the tables said reserved. So we said, "Well, all these tables are reserved." She said, and I don't know if she understood it, but she could at least said, "Hey, they're coming in at 7 o'clock. Can you be gone by then?" But she didn't. So we just left and came back to the Fisherman's restaurant. And there you have it. That's the whole walkthrough, believe it or not. So when I tell you that you come to Koh Mook, you don't need to rent a motorbike, and you don't need to take the taxis that come by. You can walk it. This couldn't have been more than 15 minutes. And we'll end this walking video with a view, beautiful view of the laying down woman. And further out over there is the bearded man. Thank you for coming along on this walk. If you got any value out of this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we invite you to do so right now. So I just got an hour massage at this place, and I feel a lot better. 400 baht, good price. This lady right here was the one who took care of me. Kun chu arai? My cop? Ball. Okay, so if you need massage on Koh Mook, let me just show you. You come to Bam Bam Health Massage, okay? Let me step back a bit and give you a look right here. And they do a very good job. This is a legit place. It's air conditioned inside, clean, and these ladies are very nice. Kamku Makap.